Hello everyone. So in our last class we have covered all the importance of SEO. What is SEO? Why do you have to do SEO? In our today's class we'll cover types of SEO and what are the different techniques to work on SEO. So let's start with the class. Types of SEO. Basically we have three major types: on-page SEO, off-page SEO and technical SEO. So when it comes to on-page SEO, it's all about changing the website structure and optimizing it with respect to the search engines. So on-page SEO it's a type of search engine optimization that uses on-site optimization of your website to improve and enhance your page visibility in terms of search engine result page. So how do we do it? So on page SEO we have all these major factors, which is all about 6 to 7 major factors we need to consider in order to optimize our on page of the website. So first thing is keyword optimization. So we'll figure out what are the keywords that we'll be using for your web page or website with respect to the business and the target location, target audience, all these things. Next is meta tags. So meta tags is all about when you're searching for some terms in Google. Say for example, you want to get some information about a blog, like what is SEO. So there you get a set of results which includes the title and a description. So that is where meta tags comes into picture. Next thing is URL structure. So URL structure is basically, if I say in a layman term, it's just a link of your web pages. Next thing is internal linking. So internal linking connects your web pages within each other. Next is high quality content. So again, when we finalize the keywords, so we'll have to optimize the web pages with respect to the content, and we'll have to look into the structure also, what needs to be in the heading tag, what needs to be in the paragraph. So simultaneously we'll have to optimize the images as well, because again when we say search engines, so search engines will not recognize what the image is about. So here the image optimization comes into picture. So wherein we'll set the proper keyword tags also for images. And then next thing is mobile friendliness. We'll have to see if someone is looking for the information from their mobile devices, the website should be mobile responsive also and mobile friendly as well. So that's all about on-page SEO. Next is off-page SEO. So off-page SEO, as I said in our initial class, it's about building backlinks and building authority through some external resources. Say for example, link building on other website. Getting a link from other website is also helping you your website to build your authority. Next thing is social media. Again, if you are publishing your resources on social media, then again you are redirecting your traffic to the website. Next is brand mentions and guest blogging. So all these are the different factors which we can work on in order to optimize your on-page off-page of your website. So next thing is technical SEO. It refers to optimizing a website infrastructure, wherein it will help your search engines to crawl, index and rank your website effectively. So basically it covers page speed optimization, mobile responsiveness, as I said. Next thing is optimizing the sitemaps of your website, then schema markup. So all these things I'll cover in detail while we are studying about technical SEO in detail. Yeah. Next we will cover techniques of SEO. So far we have completed types of SEO, which is on page, off page and technical SEO part. Now let's cover SEO techniques, which is white hat SEO, black hat SEO and grey hat SEO. White hat SEO is, if I say in a layman term, it's a ethical way of working on SEO, wherein you will be following all the guidelines of Google's and working on the high quality content and user preferences. You will work on user intent also. So all these things will be covering in white hat SEO. So if proper definition if you want to know, white hat SEO refers to the ethical search engine optimization strategy that follow Google's guidelines, as I said, to improve website ranking without violating any policies of Google's. So first thing is to follow the guidelines of search engine, and then working on the high quality content which caters the need of user. Then next thing is proper keyword usage. Say if you're writing up a content and forcefully you're inserting some keywords in order to just rank those content, it's not an ethical way. So that is why we consider to use a proper keyword, and it should be in an optimal way. Next thing is natural link building and website speed, enhancing the user experience, optimizing your whole on page with an ethical way. So that is what white hat SEO is. Next, we go to black hat SEO. So it's all about working on unethical way, which considers like violating the search engine rules and stuffing the keyword, clocking, like you're showing different content to the user, and in terms of search engine, they we have a different content, kind of a hidden content we say, so which is called as clocking. Next thing is paid or spammy backlinks. So if you work on these kind of tactics at the initial stage, you'll get the results, but then once Google identifies these tactics and these practices has been followed on your website, it will your ranking will be completely drop down, and it will also affect your overall SEO. So there is a chances like your website might go to sandbox also, which is highly difficult to get back from there, that particular situation. So better to follow only white hat SEO, which is an ethical way. Next is gray hat SEO. So it's a kind of combination of both white hat and black hat. At some stages we are working on ethical practices, and at some stage we are working on black hat SEO, like not completely the unethical way. We are following the practices of ethical SEO also, but kind of we are taking a risk also. So kind of for example, like we say we are creating the high quality content and then buying backlinks, so it's a gray hat SEO practice. Then again, we are creating a content like wherein we say creating high quality content which will be considered in a white hat SEO, and then buying backlinks, which is completely the negative part, also called as black hat SEO. So as I said, exchanging the links, so it is not a good practice to get a link exchanges from one website, like you are giving a backlink to another website and getting a backlink from the same website, so it's an unethical practice. Then buying expired domains for SEO. So usually what people do is some expired domains, maybe sometime in the past they might have worked on SEO and built up a good authority of their that particular domain. So if we purchase that domain, so people, what myth they have is they'll get the backlinks and that authority on that particular domain, but eventually when Google identifies these things, it will, they will have to bear the heavy loss also. So the conclusion is better to go with, if you are planning to achieve the long-term goal, long-term growth, if you want to say, with a proper consistency, it's always good to practice the white hat SEO techniques, ethical way of SEO. Thank you.